Unlocking the phrase, have fun. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, have fun. This is a commonly used phrase in the English language. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. Have fun is made up of two words, have and fun. Have is a verb that means to possess, hold or experience something. Fun is a noun referring to enjoyment and amusement. When combined, the phrase is an expression used to wish someone a good time. This phrase is versatile and can be used in numerous situations. Here are a few examples. 1. Before an activity. If a friend is about to go to a party, you can say, have fun, as a way to wish them an enjoyable time. 2. As a casual farewell. Instead of just saying, goodbye, or see you later, you can use, have fun, to add a more cheerful tone. 3. For encouragement. If someone is trying something new or challenging, saying, have fun, can be a way to lighten the mood and reduce anxiety. There are other phrases in English that carry a similar sentiment to have fun. Some of them include, enjoy yourself, make the most of it, take care and have a blast. While these can be used interchangeably with have fun, in many scenarios, they each have subtle differences. But they all generally wish someone a positive experience. The phrase, have fun, is a warm and friendly way to wish someone enjoyment. It's versatile, easy to use, and a great addition to your English language toolkit. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this cheerful expression. Until next time, have fun learning English.